I know you hate your job. I know you hate your 9 to 5 right now. You can't get up in life. Seem like you're paying bills left and right. You don't got enough money in your pocket. You know why? Because your 9 to 5 is not enough, bud. Look, man, before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. This is going to be a good one. So stay and listen, man. Look, your 9 to 5 is not enough, man. We're living in the times now where your 9 to 5 is just straight dead. If you only sticking to your 9 to 5 or your current job, you're struggling. I know you're struggling. You're probably struggling financially, mentally, spiritually. You're just struggling all around because your lack of money, the lack of income that you have, right? Now, look, but I'm not gonna say that every 9 to 5 you can't make no money. Look, you got doctors, you got lawyers, they're more careers, right? Or that's careers, but regular 9 to 5. Look, you got certain factory jobs that if you climb up in the ladder, you could do okay, but not every job is safe. That's what I'm trying to get here, man. Like you may think you been in the job, you been on that job for about 15, 20 years. All of a sudden the job get bought out and now they cutting hours and now they cut you. Now you gotta go find another job. You've been working there for 20 years, right? But I'm trying to tell y'all, man, that 9 to 5 is not enough because look, once you get cut off, what are you doing now? If you never thought about saving money, investing money, or having your own side hustle or trying to create your own business, all you focus on with your 9 to 5, when that water get cut off, you're done. You're cooked. You're cooked, bro. I'm here to save y'all, man. Look, what I want y'all to do, man, look, use your 9 to 5 to fund the life that you really want, right? Understand, look, you gotta win your 5 to 9. What is that? That's what you do after your 9 to 5. All the hours that you do at your 9 to 5 need to be going towards your goals, your vision, trying to double your income. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, man, don't go out and try to find another 9 to 5, right? Look, you can work 2 jobs, it's cool, but do not work 3 jobs. Look, I tried that, I did that. I actually got a video. I'm gonna put the video in the description about why working through jobs really won't still ain't enough, right? But what I want to let y'all know, like, look, just try your best to create a side hustle. Anything that you like to do that you can monetize and get paid for, but it could be cutting grass, cutting hair, doing hair, washing cars, playing the game, monetizing the game, streaming, make YouTube, um, shoot, I mean, painting, anything, any side hustle, reselling, anything, bro. Because when you're 9 to 5, when you get your water cut off, that's a tough feeling, bro. Especially when you got people to feed, right? You got kids. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, we don't live in a time now where the one income could be enough. I'm good, man. I make enough. Me and my wife, we good, man. No, it's not. It's not happening like that, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all a quick story. Not no shots at my friend, but if he watching this, he watching it. Oh well, bro. I love you though. Like my friend working there, he worked at a factory job. Nice job. They did forklifts. Nice job. Paid pretty decent. I think he was making like 20. I'm gonna say about 25, 26. Doing good. Been out there for about 8 years. What happened? Fired. Well, he got laid off. Now he doing DoorDash, thinking that's enough, bro. That still ain't enough. But on the side, he never really had a side hustle. He never really had that hustle mentality. He always thought the job was safe. Your job is never safe. Your job that you currently work is never safe. You always got to think about the what is. What if this job let me go? What am I going to do next? Think about it. Really think about it, right? Like even me right now, bro. I lie to y'all not, bro. Right now, my job we off for like 2.5 weeks for 4th of July. It's a family owned like restaurant. That's my full time job. But as you can see, I'm in my shop. I'll detail cars. I also cut grass. I also sports bet. I also make content. You see what I'm saying? You see the multiple things and incomes coming in, right? But you gotta love what you do, bro. You just gotta do. You gotta have that hustle in you. You gotta be relentless out here. I know my 9 to 5 ain't enough, so I gotta continue to. You know what I'm saying? Like my personal job, my job that I work right now, that's my last public job I will ever work. Well, if they let me go right now, I will never go try to go find another job. I will lock in with my purpose. Lock in on what God got for me. What God got for you, He got for you. So you gotta lock in. You gotta find your vision. Find what God is telling you to do, man. You gotta pray. Ask Him, look. What I'm supposed to be doing besides this 9 to 5? What I'm supposed to be doing, right? I want to see everybody eat, man. You gotta want to eat. I'll keep looking everywhere because I'm in my shop, so anybody can pull up. But I want to let y'all know, man. Look, the 9 to 5 is dead, bro. Economy going up. Every bro, I let you know. Every time you go to the grocery, they spend about $100. That's some of y'all check. You dig what I'm saying? You gotta realize, man. You gotta eat out here, bro. You gotta keep hustling, keep grinding, find multiple ways to get right. And then once you get that money, then you invest that money, you flip that money, make that money work for you. Right? Start turning your time for dollars. Right now, me, I'm turning my time for dollars because I do a service. But on the back end, bro, I know what I'm doing on the back end is when I go to sleep, I'm making bread. That's the ultimate goal, man. The ultimate goal is to be financially free. You will not be financially free working at 9 to 5 because it's not enough. You're gonna always be behind on bills, staying on that, especially if you got a spending habit. If you got a spending habit, if you're not disciplined, oh man, I know you struggling. I don't want to see nobody struggle, really, right? But you gotta be aware. You gotta be aware of what you got going on, where with your money going at, where like your 9 to 5 can work. It can. But you gotta plan it out. Okay, every check, I'm gonna take 10% for myself. The rest will go to savings or the rest go to investments. Like you gotta know how to work it, bro. Right? Understand this, man. Look, the moment that you realize that your 9 to 5 is not enough, and you gotta go out here and make it happen. Go out here and work towards something else. Then you good, bro. Shout out to all the ones that's really. If you working right here, you got a job. Be grateful that you have a job. First and foremost, man, look, I'm not knocking nobody that work a 9 to 5. I work a 9 to 5. I'm grateful for my job. It's people out here that would love to have my job. It's people that would love to have a job that put in their application that don't have a job. I'm not shitting on a 9 to 5. What I'm trying to tell you is the 9 to 5 is not going to fund the life that you truly want. So don't think that, oh, I could just get this job and I'll be fine. No, bro, it don't work like that, right? Try your best to create you a side hustle, side business. Get after it. Chase after your dreams and goals. Put God first, man. Look, that's the video for today. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. We dropping bangers, man. Quan out. Peace.